In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir in this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Take this shield off. There's some push pins. I'm going to use a pick, get in the center, and then pop it out. You can always also use a trim tool or even a Phillips head screwdriver. Sometimes they break. Just using a trim tool. And grab this panel, just slide it off. Take this push pin off, just using a trim tool. And grab that piece, slide it out. Using a 10mm socket, take this nut off. Take that nut out. There's a clip in here. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze the clip, and then using a trim tool, get underneath and just pop it up. Grab the reservoir, just slide it up. There's a wire. Just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze that, and that pops out. You can disconnect this if that's in your way. Just push down on the tab. Right there, slide that out of the way. I'll disconnect the connectors down below. I'm just going to use some pliers to help out. These are just trim tool pliers. Push down on the tab, disconnect those using some hose pliers, or you can use needle nose. Just take this off. You might want to use a drain bucket underneath to catch any of the fluid. Pull that off. And we'll do the same on the other one. Try not to mix them up. You can mark them if you want to. Slide that off. Just slide this past the cowl, and it slides right out. Take the reservoir and slide it down. Just twist it a little bit, get it in position. Before we push it in place, we'll get these hoses on. Slide that one on. And slide this one on. Take the connectors, line those up. Lock those down. Yeah, that's good. Going over the stud, and then line up the little push area, the little bracket. That's good. Push it down. Put the nut on. Tighten it down. Just snug. If you disconnected this wire, you want to move that over, lock that in place, and connect the connector. Then pop this open, put the appropriate washer fluid in, and close it up. Put this back in, line it up, put the push pin in, lock it down, and put this cover on, line it up. Take the push pins, get those all started, and lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.